Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Daily, the channel where learning English is fun, practical, and simple. I'm Anna.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone. I'm David, and I'm so excited to be here again. Anna, how are you feeling today?
I'm doing great, David, and I'm extra excited because today's lesson is all about something we all do every single day.
That's right. Today we're going to talk about morning routines. How do you wake up? What do you do after getting up? How do you prepare for your day? And the best part, you'll learn how to talk about all of this in English.
Exactly. By the end of this episode, you'll have the confidence to describe your morning routine naturally in English, whether it's for a conversation with a friend, a teacher, or even in a job interview when they ask, "Tell me about your day." You'll be ready.
Perfect. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast. Your support really helps Speak English Daily grow and bring you more fun lessons.
All right, David, let's get started. Part 1, basic morning actions. Okay, let's start at the very beginning, waking up. How would you say that in English, David?
Simple. You can say, I wake up at 7 a.m. or I get up at 7 a.m.
Right. And here's something important. Wake up means when you open your eyes, and get up means when you actually leave your bed.
Good point. So, Anna, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30, but honestly, I don't get up until 7.
That's me too sometimes. I wake up at 7, but I stay in bed for 15 minutes checking my phone.
See, that's real life. And you can say, I stay in bed for a few minutes, or I scroll on my phone before getting up.
Exactly. Simple and natural.
Part 2, washing up and getting ready. Now, after getting up, the next step is usually washing your face, brushing your teeth, or taking a shower.
Yes. So you can say, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I take a shower.
And don't forget, I brush my hair, or I get dressed. Anna, do you take a shower in the morning or in the evening?
Morning. It really helps me wake up. I usually say, I take a quick shower to feel fresh.
Nice. I usually shower at night, but in the morning, I wash my face and brush my teeth right after getting up.
And you can use a phrase like, I freshen up. For example, after getting up, I go to the bathroom to freshen up.
Part 3, breakfast time.
Okay, now my favorite part, breakfast.
I knew you'd say that. So how can learners talk about breakfast in English?
You can say, I usually have bread and eggs for breakfast. Or, I drink a cup of coffee in the morning.
Yes, and instead of always saying eat, try using have. For example, I have cereal and milk. I have toast with butter. I have fruit. Anna, what do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have oatmeal with fruit and a cup of tea.
That sounds healthy.
I usually have coffee and toast and sometimes eggs.
See, that's a natural way to share your morning routine. Part 4, exercise or activities. Now, some people also like to exercise in the morning.
Yes, you can say, I go for a run, I do yoga, or I stretch for 10 minutes.
Exactly. I like to say I go for a short walk after breakfast. It helps me feel energized.
I sometimes say, I work out at the gym in the morning.
And if you don't exercise, you can simply say, I check my emails or I read the news. Part 5, getting ready for work or school.
All right, now let's talk about getting ready to leave the house.
Yes, you can say, I get dressed, I pack my bag, I prepare my lunch, I leave home at 8 a.m.
Anna, what time do you usually leave home?
I usually leave around 8:15. I say I catch the bus at 8:15.
I usually drive to work, so I say I drive to the office every morning.
See? Both are simple and useful. Part 6, sample daily conversation.
Let's put it all together in a mini conversation.
Yes, let's do it. I'll be me and you be you.
Okay. David, what time do you usually wake up, Anna?
I usually wake up at 6:30, but I get up at 7.
What's the first thing you do after getting up?
I brush my teeth and take a quick shower. What about you?
I usually wash my face and then make some coffee.
Nice. What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have toast and eggs. Sometimes just coffee.
I usually have oatmeal and tea.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I go for a short walk.
That's great. I sometimes go to the gym in the morning.
And what time do you leave home?
Around 8, I drive to the office.
I usually catch the bus at 8:15.
See, that's a very natural daily English conversation.
Part 7. Useful phrases for morning routine.
Let's give our learners a list of useful phrases they can use to talk about their mornings.
Great idea. Here are some examples. I wake up at, I get up at, I brush my teeth, I take a shower, I get dressed, I have breakfast, I drink coffee or tea, I check my phone, I go for a run, I leave home at...
And don't forget these. I pack my bag. I prepare my lunch. I catch the bus. I drive to school/work. I start work at.
Part 8. Practice activity.
Yes, we want you to write your morning routine in the comments. Use at least 5 of the sentences we taught today.
For example, I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I have coffee and toast for breakfast. Then I get dressed and leave home at 8:30.
Perfect. Simple, natural, and useful.
Let's do a quick recap. Today, we learned how to talk about your morning routine in English.
We covered waking up and getting up, washing and getting ready, breakfast time, exercise or activities, and leaving home for school or work.
And we practiced a real conversation between Anna and David.
Now it's your turn. Write your routine, practice it out loud, and try using these sentences in real life.
Exactly. The more you practice, the more natural you'll sound.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.